Hi, I'm Doug from Hondata, and we are here at Diamond Valley Honda to pick up our brand new 23 Civic Type R, and boy are we so excited. Thank you for making the process so easy for the purchase of this beautiful new car. Would you like to introduce yourself to our viewers?
Absolutely, it was my pleasure, Doug. My name's Isai and I'm here from Diamond Valley Honda.
I've got a question for you. What does VTEC stand for?
I believe it stands for Variable Valve Electronic Timing. Am I correct?
You are better than most. Variable timing and lift electronic control.
Oh.
Right. So the important thing about knowing what VTEC is, and you almost got it, so well done. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching and stay tuned.